Hey everybody, Amba here. And something I read caught my attention and I'd like to share it. I think it is a great message for our current time. I actually sent this as an email and I titled it Unity of Existence. There is one humanity. There is one brotherhood. None is high, none is low. All are equal. Vain are the distinctions. Man-made barriers should be ruthlessly broken down. Then alone there will be peace in this world. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one commandment, the commandment of truthfulness. There is only one law, the law of cause and effect. There is only one God, the omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient Lord. There is only one language, the language of silence. All life is one. The world is one home. All are members of human family. All creation is organic whole. No man is independent of that whole. Man makes himself miserable by separating himself from others. Embrace all, recognize the worth of others, destroy all barriers, racial, religious, and natural prejudices that separate man from man. Recognize the non-dual principles, the immortal essence within all creatures. Protect animals. Let all life be sacred. Then this world will be a paradise of beauty, a heaven of peace and tranquility. Learn to live as members of a single family. Champion the idea of one humanity. Live in peace in one world. All are children of God. The whole world is one family of God. Feel this, realize this, be happy. And this is from Introduction to Bliss Divine, a book written by Swami Shivananda. And you can be free to comment. And also, if you want to sign to our email, send me email and your email address so that I can put it in our email list. We send only once a month an email. So amba@shinerightnow.com. We'll write it down also below. Have a great day and let me know your thoughts about this. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Namaste. Bye-bye.